Hello, friends, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about rental property investing 101 7 steps to get started. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. Investing in rental properties can be a profitable venture with the right strategy. Here are 7 steps to help you get started. 1. Assess your finances. Before investing, evaluate your financial situation. Determine your budget, down payment capabilities, and how much you can afford to borrow. 2. Set investment goals. Define clear investment goals, such as desired cash flow or property appreciation. This will help guide your decisions and set expectations. 3. Research the market. Understand local real estate markets by researching property values, rental rates, and neighborhood trends. Choose a location with strong demand for rental properties. 4. Secure financing. Explore different financing options, such as conventional loans, hard money loans, or government-backed programs. Secure the best terms based on your financial profile. 5. Find the right property. Look for properties that align with your goals. Focus on factors like location, condition, potential rental income, and long-term value. 6. Perform due diligence. Conduct thorough inspections, review legal documents, and check the property's history to avoid hidden costs or liabilities. 7. Manage the property. Decide whether to manage the property yourself or hire a property manager. Effective management ensures smooth operations and consistent cash flow. Conclusion: by following these steps, you can start your rental property investment journey with confidence and strategic insight. I hope that you like the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.